I used to say yes to everything. Helping coworkers on my day off? Yes. Volunteering for things I hated? Yes. Dinner with people who drained me? Yep. Then I discovered something powerful, saying no, and it transformed my life. Saying yes all the time feels like being a good person, but it often leads to burnout, resentment, and lost time. Every yes to something meaningless might be a no to your own goals, to rest, to peace of mind. The pressure to constantly agree creates anxiety, stress, and sometimes even makes you sick. Saying no is not selfish, it's liberating. It lets you prioritize what truly matters. Protect your energy. Live in alignment with your values. And guess what? A clear, confident no often earns more respect than a reluctant yes. So how do you actually say no? Use I statements. I'm focusing on other priorities right now. I can't commit to that at the moment. Offer an alternative if you can. It shows you care even while maintaining your boundary. Be firm and consistent. You don't need to over-explain. Sometimes, that doesn't work for me is enough. It's not always easy. Some people might guilt trip you or push back. Stay kind, stay calm, explain briefly, and most importantly, don't fold just to keep the peace. Every time you honor your boundary, you strengthen your confidence. Saying no is a practice, not a one-time fix. It's how you reclaim your time, energy, and sanity. Because when you say no to what drains you, you make space to say yes to what truly matters. So here's your challenge. Say no at least once this week to protect your peace. Not out of guilt, but out of self-respect. What's one thing you're ready to say no to this week? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to level up one idea at a time.